Because hunting never comes easy. Sometimes they were lucky to escape with their lives. Their mothers have given birth again. There's no room for them now. These adolescents must look out for themselves. Always hungry, forever sparring over food, the males, stronger than their sisters, don't hesitate to press their advantage. Harder for the males, they rely on the speedy females to hunt. So the young males try their luck on prey that can't outpace them, but they have no chance against these giant lions.